To reassure buyers, eBay offers a money-back guarantee. This guarantee covers buyers under the following situations: non-receipt of goods, goods not as described, goods that arrived damaged. Also, as a seller, you can start an unpaid item case if a buyer does not pay for an item. Starting an unpaid item case enables the seller to claim back the final value fees on a listing. eBay disputes can be accessed from Sell to access the seller dashboard, then Orders, and then Requests and Disputes. From here you will see a list of disputes, and it can also take actions. So this order here has the buyer reported the item hasn't arrived. You can either send a message to the buyer, update the tracking to show that the item has arrived, or refund the buyer. As this buyer has reported the item hasn't arrived, unless tracking is provided, the buyer will have the option to contact eBay in order to resolve their dispute. Best practice when dealing with disputes is to respond to disputes quickly. Remember that in order to maintain your top-rated seller rating, you need to have less than 0.3 unresolved disputes. By using a track service, you can avoid item not received disputes. Also, use the unpaid item assistance setting to enable you to automatically close unpaid item disputes. If you do not close unpaid item disputes, you will not get your final value fee back. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.